Hey, welcome. We have some amazing news. Lichen Sclerosus Support Network will be turning into a nonprofit organization for the prevention of the negative emotional and mental health effects that happen sometimes when we get a lichen sclerosus diagnosis because of the lack of information, the whole plethora of reasons. We kicked off a fundraiser last Friday to start the process because starting a nonprofit the right way is expensive. And we want it to be done right so that this organization lasts forever, as long as it's needed. So I am coming to you today because I'm excited to announce the Lichen Sclerosus Support Network's first event, their first fundraising event, and it's happening on National Women's Health Week. Woohoo! Right up their alley. So it's called the Lichen Sclerosus Holistic Healing Summit. Love it. Because we're all about the whole picture. We got to do our medication. We need to get our diet right. We need to reduce our stress. We need to get our minds right. So we are attacking from all angles, okay? Because that's what we do. I'm so excited. This is going to be 5 different events approaching our healing holistically. And we have amazing people coming to present for you, to you. So first, on Mondays, we are attacking that mind-body connections that definitely gets broken down when you get an LS diagnosis. We are doing a wild soul movement class. And if you don't know what wild soul movement is, let me tell you, it is all about stretching, feeling your body, getting those movements however you feel necessary, with a little bit of mantra, meditation, and then at the end we do some journaling so that we can get all those thoughts that have come up, that have crept up while we were doing our stretching. And then we share, we come in the community and we share, and we bring those feelings out into the universe and release them. And this is all done in the privacy of your own home because this whole thing is virtual. Hello. And it's amazing. Okay. So that's Monday. So Monday we get in our mind, body, we get connected to all the femininity and the lusciousness that is you, that you might not be feeling right now because of stupid LS. Tuesday, if you've ever wondered, is pelvic floor physical therapy for me? How is pelvic floor physical therapy gonna help me? Then Tuesday, you want to be listening to Ashley Stump, pelvic floor physical therapist to women with LS, women with other pelvic conditions. She's going to talk about how pelvic floor physical therapy is for you, what it is, what they do, how it helps. She's going to show us different trainers that they use in the practice, what to expect, and how to find the right pelvic physical therapist for you. And after her talk, she's going to be doing a Q&A. So if you still got questions that she didn't answer, ask them, baby. She going to answer them for you, okay? And then Wednesday, okay, we come in and we are doing that mind-body thing again, and we are attacking chronic pain through breath work. So you're going to join psychologist Dr. Emily O'Hara, and she's going to come and talk to us about deep breathing for chronic pain. I know it's out there, but it's proven this stuff works. Okay, she works with the VA, and the government ain't gonna pay for nothing that they ain't got no proof that it works. So join us on Wednesday, and she's gonna talk us through the mind-body connection, and some of the breathing techniques that we can use when we are having pain. So that's Wednesday. Thursday, we are going to learn all about lichen sclerosus from the one and only Dr. Jill Kraft. Okay, if you don't know who Dr. Jill Kraft is, she is one of the leading LS specialists and researchers from the Center for Vulvovaginal Diseases. Let me tell you, this woman has written textbooks, books, been on numerous podcasts. Her practice, Center for Vulvovaginal Diseases, has treated over 2,000 women with lichen sclerosus. She has written the paper on how to treat, how to diagnose, and all you need to know about lichen sclerosus. So you do not want to miss this lecture, because Dr. Kraft and Dr. Goldstein, who is another one of the leading specialists in this field and also works at the Center for Vulvovaginal Diseases, have recently released an hour and 18-minute webinar all on lichen sclerosus. Okay, they talk about diagnosis, treatment, pathology, surgeries, everything you need to know about LS. And I ain't gonna lie, it's a bit heavy on the jargon and all of that. So Dr. Kraft is going to come and speak to us and give it to us from the patient level, not the doctor level, but the patient level, so we understand what it is that lichen sclerosus is, what it's doing to us. And this is not just for patients. This is for loved ones who have an LS patient. This is someone who's interested in learning about LS. Let's say, you're a student. I've been contacted by midwives and pelvic floor physical therapists who want to know about this disease so they can help their patients more. This is for you too, okay? Anyone who's interested in learning about LS needs to come to this talk. And then afterwards, because she's just so awesome, she's going to do a Q&A. So if you still have questions that weren't answered, you have the opportunity, if you come live, only if you come live, you have the opportunity to ask questions. And that's on Thursday. Friday, we are wrapping it up with dietitian Erica Ebrel. She is going to show us how to cook a nutritious anti-inflammatory meal, because LS, all it's doing is creating inflammation all day long, 24/7. So Erica is going to talk to us on how to create this nutritious anti-inflammatory meal. And while she's doing that, she's going to tell us about inflammation causing foods and anti-inflammation causing foods. So you're going to have a whole lesson, and you're going to get the recipe. So if you want to cook with her, do that. Okay. So I am so excited for all of this. It's going to be 5 days, and we're attacking from all over: mind, body, nutrition. We got this. Okay, I love it. And we're going to do it together as a community. You are going to be there with other LS warriors. You're going to be in there with family, friends, loved ones. You're going to be in there with people who want to help. And all of these proceeds are going to go to creating this nonprofit for us. These services that are going to not only make us as current LS warriors, make our life and our progress and our lives better, but it's going to change the future for future LS warriors. And if you want to find out exactly what does that mean, what are we doing, you got to click the other video, okay, where I release what we're doing with the nonprofit and everything. So please support our event. It's $20 per event, or, because I love a good deal, you can buy the all access pass, and you're going to get all 5 events, and you're going to get 60 days free inside of the Lichen Sclerosus Warriors membership. So you get to try it out for 2 months. And the first 5 people that purchase the All Access Pass, you're going to get a copy of Nicole Ayers' book, Love Letters to My Body. Because I'm telling you, I have the book. It is so cute. It just makes you want to start writing love letters to yourself, because it's a journey. And she's going to walk you through her journey, through her book, and you're going to be able to start your journey with us at the LS Holistic Healing Summit. The link will be in the description, so go and purchase your tickets now. This is going to start on May the 10th, run all the way to May the 14th. I hope you have an amazing rest of your week, and I cannot wait to see you at the summit. Tell a friend, share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Let everybody know to come and support this event, this program, this fundraiser. This is not just for LS warriors. This is for anyone with a chronic illness, anyone with chronic pain. You can get benefit out of this. So I will see you at the event. Click the link, get your ticket today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.